In the gym, we always popping. On the treadmill, everybody running. Work out every day, you know. Body work, body work, body work, body work, body work, body work. Hey, workout time, everybody got it. Look at me now, we're gonna hold after body work, body work, body work, body work.
Welcome to my fitness vlog number 4. We keeping the ball rolling. Today we're going to talk about having fun while being fit. Fitness fun. Because working out is not all about hard work. You gotta have fun or else you're not gonna stay consistent. So I want you guys to understand that it's an intricate part of working out is also to have fun. Come here, baby. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Come on, YouTube page this year. Talk about fitness. Tell them how important it is to have fun while working out.
It's very important to have fun while working out because it's who you are. And who you are is your body.
That's it.
I mean, eat right, work out. I'm telling you, it's all good.
All good.
My man. Do it.
1,000 grand.
All day, baby.
Every day. That's what we do. You know, I'm always repping for the fight against cancer movement. You know, I'm always wearing my Hope band. I also wear my lupus band for my sister. And I got a hat that I'm sponsoring. It's Us versus Cancer. I'm everywhere. My guy Fridge. I'm gonna put a link so you can, if you want to get a hat like this, I'm gonna put a link right below, all right? Definitely support it. We don't like cancer around here, especially breast cancer, you know? Save the boobs, baby, save the boobs, all right? Definitely support whatever we can to people that are going through whatever they're going through. They're going through cancer, people have diabetes. Lift people up, support them. You never know what they're going through. So just a kind word, helping them out, smiling, it's a big thing. So go ahead and be positive, show it to the world, all right? So guys, is fitness fun for you? Okay, do you dread going on the treadmill? All right, well, that just means that maybe your fitness needs to be redefined. You need to find a way to have fun with your fitness. Because if you want to be consistent with what you're doing, you got to enjoy it, right? Right. Why? I'll tell you why. Because the pain is perceived less when you're having fun with what you're doing. So if you're on a treadmill and you're just, you know, not focusing on any fun because you're just doing the same old same, then you realize all the dreadful issues that come along with the workout. But if you're out having fun doing what you're doing, whether it be running, jumping, kicking, whatever, then you forget about the pain because now your focus is on one thing and one thing only, the fun, and that's what we want. There needs to be an intrinsic value to motivate you to doing the workout. So if you don't find something intrinsic in what you're doing, you're gonna find yourself wondering, why am I here? Why am I doing what I'm doing? You should never feel like that. According to certified counselors, amongst the numerous neurotransmitters in our brain, serotonin is very important. And it's the leading cause of depression if it's too low. So when you do fitness and exercise and have fun with it, it helps to raise it up some. You want to have fun working out. Yeah, kind of boring, right? Now let's see if we can turn it up a notch. Okay? Now that was fun. Fitness should be fun. If you're not having fun, then try some of these things right now.
And maybe we can work it out, work it out, work it out, work it out, work it out now. Maybe we can work it out. Oh girl, your silhouette made me wanna light a cigarette. My name Kanye from the Jigger said, Twister said, get it wet. Oh girl, your breath is harsh. Cover your mouth up like you got SARS off them tracks.
Fitness should be fun. Oh yeah. Ooh, that was fun. If you're not having fun, yo, you're missing out. Next time, ask yourself a couple of these questions right here. Are you out of shape? Do you not like working out alone? Are you unfamiliar with the gym? You should understand why it is that you're not enjoying the gym and go seek help. Find someone. That's what personal trainers like me, that's what we're here for, to help you out in the goals that you need to achieve. So sometimes you need to work out with people. Sometimes you just don't have the knowledge. Sometimes you just need simple motivation. Seek the help, go get it to make you the best version of you. Yo, what kind of workout you like to do?
I just like to lift up every weight.
You could try different locations to do your workout. Woo!
Well, damn, Daddy. Damn, Daddy.
Maybe you could work out with a partner. Alright guys, thanks for checking in. Watch my page. Alright, make sure you're having fun with your fitness. Switch it up, change locations, maybe get a partner. Alright, I'm gonna catch you next time. Remember, live more, exercise more, love more. More is better fitness. We out.
Every day I hit the gym when I'm ready to work out. You know my name is A to the A, we all out. Body work, get cracking. In the gym, we always popping. On the treadmill, everybody running. Work out every day, you know what got it. Body work, body work, body work, body work, body work, body work. Hey, workout time, everybody got it. Look at me now, we're gonna hold out body work, body work, body work, yeah, body work, body work, body work. Hey, you want the ass up? Get the squat up. See the ass grow like 7 up. Body work, body work, body work, body work, body work, body work. Let's go. Hey, everybody body work. Ah, everybody body work. Hey, hey, everybody body work. Hey, ah, everybody body work. Let it body work, 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 body work. Yeah, you want a six pack? Okay, what? Don't go to the liquor store to get that. Come to the gym and get six pack. Body work, body work, body work, body work, body work, body work. Yo, everybody can gym now. Stand up and just roll up with your body work. Body work, body work, body work.